Good day, everyone. I am Joanna with Cagatin, and I will do ge-ne-toks, wherein specific concept in crop genetics will be explained. For this video, I will talk about gene expression, specifically the two main stages in gene expression and what are the functional products being produced in each stage. Now, let us first take a look in my surroundings. Have you seen different types of plants or crops? Do they have leaves, stems, roots, and flowers? Do others wilted or bloomed well? Do they differ in height? If yes, then how do they do that? Is it just because this is how God created them, or is there scientific explanation behind that? Well, there is definitely a scientific explanation to that. And just like humans, plants have different cells that are responsible for them to function. And now, let us not just look on the outside level of the plants. Instead, we will look on the internal portion of their system, or I must say in the molecular level of the plants. Behind the things that we have observed is because of gene expression. To start, let us first define a gene and an expression. A gene carries information that is made up from a sequence of a DNA which determines the traits of an organism. An expression is a process of making one's thoughts. And so to combine these two words and termed as gene expression, it is described as a process by which functional products that are made from genes are produced, which are needed by the cells to operate. There are two main stages in gene expression. These are transcription and translation. Let us first tackle the first stage of in gene expression, which is transcription. Transcription comes from the root word transcribe, meaning to copy. But what is being copied in this process? No other than it's the DNA sequence from a gene, and is turned into RNA that is already a single-stranded. And RNA is a functional product that carries information. It is produced with the help of RNA polymerase, a specific enzyme in this stage. By the way, enzymes are catalysts that are always present in the cells and help speed up any chemical reaction happen in it. On the second stage, translation, which comes from the root word translate, meaning to change from a language to another language. But what language is being translated in this stage? It's the RNA from transcription that carries information. It is translated into proteins with the help or with the effort of the ribosome. Basically, the functional products produced in translation is protein, while in transcription, the functional product is RNA. Plants or crops cannot even talk when they are thirsty. That is why they wilt easily when they are not watered. They wilt because of the information from the gene, which dictates what they feel. Then, from that, reaction happen, which can be observed externally. Now, this is the time that we should bear in our mind that even plants expressed what they thought in their environment. And that's the similarity we have from them. So that is how gene expression happens in an organism. I think that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.